In today's video, we will learn how to reduce the opacity of your video. So let's dive into the Premiere Pro's timeline. I've used two video layers here and we will reduce the opacity of the top video layers. To do this, go to Effect Control panels and find the opacity option. As you lower the opacity, the top video will start blending with the video beneath it. To make it look even the better, we'll change the blending mode to screen. Now you can see that it looks much nicer than before. You can slightly increase the opacity to make it even more visually appealing if you want. If you don't see the effect control panels, go to the window menu at the top. There you will find effect controls. Click the checkbox next to it and it will appear in the timeline. For more amazing video editing tips and tricks like this, make sure to check out our others videos on the channel.